On-demand labor has emerged as a new labor model for manufacturing, logistics, and other supply chain operations. At Veryable, we preach the power of this model because we've seen it reduce the costs of recruiting, hiring, and maintaining a workforce for companies needing to meet volatile demand. But this video won't be about us or our product. Instead, you'll learn how on-demand labor solves the capacity planning problem for companies facing demand volatility by empowering them to respond quickly to changes using incremental labor instead of overstaffing in anticipation. So what is on-demand labor? On-demand labor is a model that connects businesses to workers only when their work is needed. With access to incremental labor on demand, you can maintain less full-time employees and still meet demand by quickly contracting qualified workers when demand rises. This empowers your business to spend less money on guesswork by enabling fast reactions to changes in demand. How on-demand labor solves the capacity planning puzzle. Let's take a look at this graph. Here are your full-time employees, and here is what your demand can look like. As you can see, when demand dips below average, you'll be overstaffed with full-time employees standing around waiting for work. However, when demand ramps back up to its peak, you'll erode your profit margins from needing overtime to catch up, have longer lead times, or have to decline these projects altogether. But with on-demand labor, you should be optimally staffed to meet your minimum demand and then flex your capacity with on-demand labor to rise to any occasion. How on-demand labor works. With access to qualified independent workers, you can find labor on demand to help get your big order out in no time. But you don't have to lock into a long-term contract or hire a middleman. It's simple. You post a work opportunity, qualified workers bid on the opportunity, and you get to choose who works it. Combined with being optimally staffed with less full-time employees, which lowers your total cost, the flexibility of on-demand labor allows you to spend less money on guesswork and respond quickly to changes in demand. After you've decided who to give the work to based on their skills and rating, the workers you've made an agreement with will show up on the day of the operation to work. They will work until they complete what was agreed upon, and then they will leave. On the Veryable platform, the workers get paid the next day. The worker gets a chance to rate your business, and you can also rate the worker on factors such as proficiency, safety, timeliness, and attitude. When on-demand labor is a good fit. On-demand labor is good for supply chain, logistics, and manufacturing companies that are facing volatile demand. With some basic calculations of output per worker, companies can know the minimum number of full-time employees needed for their lowest demand forecast and use on-demand labor to fill big orders as they come in. This solution works even better for companies with operational data who are using best practices to continually improve. On-demand labor is a scalable solution. If you want to get started with on-demand labor, so you can respond quickly to demand changes, create a business profile with Veryable, and begin posting ops today.